Hi and hello students. Today we are going to start a very important part of the trigonometry. That is, prove that. In this one, they will give you a one sum like this. Cos square theta in bracket 1 plus tan square theta equals to 1. And the question they will ask you, prove that. So, how can we prove that? For this, we must know all the formulas. I told you last time which are the formulas. Here, we are going to start the revision. Okay, so I am going to tell you the formulas. Okay, so first is tan theta equals to sin theta upon cos theta. Then cot theta equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Tan and cot. Cot is the reverse of tan. Tan theta equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Here you can remember it tan से कुछ सीखो. Tan सी कुछ सीखो. And then नहीं सीखे तो कोकोसिन खाओ. And this is the simple idea to remember tan theta and cot theta. Okay, if you add the tan theta, cot is the reverse of tan theta, that you will remember. Then sec theta equals to 1 upon cos theta. Cosec theta equals to 1 upon sin theta. Sec, cos. The spelling is reverse. Sec, the last word is C, it is started by COS. 3 letters are there, 3 letters are there. So you can remember it very easily. And the remaining thing is cosec, which is related to sine. Then next formula, which is again very important for us, it is a sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Okay? So we can write it separately also. Sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta, or cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. You will get these two formula. And remember that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sin theta and cos theta equal to not 1. Okay, next formula you have to remember, sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. And the last one is cosec square theta equals to 1 plus cot square theta. This is the simple idea to remember all the formulas. Remember this is very important. Now I am going to tell you some my rules, how to solve, how to prove this equation, either this sum. Okay, so rules are: first rule, always take LHS. What do you mean by LHS? It's a left hand side. This is the left hand side and this is called the right hand side. So you have to take LHS, always LHS, and then your answer should be as a RHS. Second thing, write formula of what? Tan, cot, sec and cosec. इनका फॉर्मूला आपको वहां पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. यू हैव टू राइट द फॉर्मूलाज ऑफ दिस वन. देन थर्ड रूल, इफ d is not same, then cross multiply. Cross multiplication है. Okay, what do you mean by d? It's a denominator. If the denominator is not same, then you have to cross multiply. Let me tell you the one example. Here it is sin theta upon cos theta plus cos theta upon sin theta. So what you have to do? You have to cross multiply. Sin into sin, then cos into cos and cos into sin. It is called a cross multiplication. But when if this denominator is not same. But if it is same, then it should be as it is, you have to add or subtract numerator only. So remember this one. If the d is not same, then you have to cross multiply. Next, take a common. That you know it well. Take a common. Common means one thing which is in double in the first part and second part. That you have to take it common. Then see that sin square theta plus cos square theta is there. So I have given here the name for both. One is as a mummy and papa. Sin means papa and cos square means mummy. Sin square theta as a papa and cos square theta as a mummy, and they have one son. So therefore sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. That you have to remember this one. But remember sin square theta and cos square theta. It is not a sin and cos. And then the last point is see our target. What we have to prove, that you have to see in it. So see, these are the 6 important rules of mine. If you follow this, you will be able to solve it very easily. Now let me tell you once again. Always take LHS. Left hand side you have to take it. Then write the formula of tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cos theta. Third, if the denominator is not same, after writing the formula, if the denominator is not same, then you have to cross multiply. Next, take a common. The content which is double, there you have to take it common. See that whether the sin square theta plus cos square theta is there, it means mummy and papa is there. Okay. And instead of this one, you have to write the 1 and see our target, that we get the answer or not. Okay. So here you have to remember the another one thing. If you take LHS, the answer should be RHS. But sometimes you will find that if you solve the LHS, you will not get the answer. On that time, you have to solve the RHS also. Let's start with the show that sums. The sum number 1 is sin square theta plus cos square theta plus cos theta equal to sec theta. I told you the rules how to show that. Which is the first rule? Which is the first rule? Yes, always take a LHS. So I am going to take LHS. LHS equal to sin square theta plus upon cos theta plus cos theta. This is our LHS. Then second rule, write the formula. So I told you that you have to write the formulas of 4: tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. There is no tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. So I am not going to write any formula. Then rule number 3. If the d is not same, means denominator is not same, then you have to cross multiply. See here, it has a denominator cos theta, it doesn't have, so I am going to take it 1. So these denominators are not same, so I am going to cross multiply. 1 into sin square theta, sin square theta, plus cos into cos will be cos square theta, upon cos theta into 1, cos theta. Okay, this is our rule number 3. Then, which is the rule number 4? Take a common. Is that anything is common? No, nothing is common. Rule number 5. Which is the rule number 5? That is that sin square theta plus cos square theta is there? Yes. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Instead of that, you have to write 1 upon cos theta. So here you have to give the reason. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. This is the reason for this one. Okay. And which is the last rule? Rule number 6. That is our target. What is our target? Sec theta. Is that sec theta is related to 1 upon cos theta? Yes, of course. 1 upon cos theta means sec theta. Either sec theta means 1 upon cos theta. So get it? Sec theta equal to RHS. So this is our answer for the first one. Let's start with the second example. Cos square theta in bracket 1 plus tan square theta equal to, you have to prove that 1. Again, you have to follow the rules. Rule number 1, always take LHS. I am going to take LHS. LHS equals to cos square theta in bracket 1 plus tan square theta. Okay? So rule number 2, write the formula of tan, cot, sec and cosec. So cos square theta will be as it is. 1 will be as it is, and instead of tan, you have to write the formula sin theta upon cos theta. But it has a square, so you have to write the square of this one. Okay? Now, rule number 3. Which is the rule number 3? If the denominator is not same, then you have to cross multiply. Yes. So you see here, it has a denominator 1. So these denominators are not same, so you have to cross multiply. Cos square theta in bracket, cos square theta into 1, cos square theta, plus 1 into sin square theta, sin square theta, upon cos square theta into 1 is a cos square theta. Okay? Then rule number 4, take a common. Nothing is common here. Okay. Rule number 5, you have to write the formula of sin square theta plus cos square theta. Is that sin square theta plus cos square theta is there? Yes, sin square theta plus cos square theta is there. So instead of that, you have to write it 1 upon cos square theta. Here you have to give the reason. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Now see this, cos square theta and cos square theta will be cancelled, equals to 1, and this is our target. So you have to write it RHS. Let's start with the sum number 3, which is a different sum, but you have to follow the rules. Rule number 1, take the LHS. So I am going to take LHS equals to root 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta. Okay? Rule number 2, write the formula of tan theta, cos theta, cot theta and sec theta. But there is no tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. Okay. Rule number 3, if the d is not same, then cross multiply. Here it is different thing. There is no d to cross multiply for this one. There is only one numerator and denominator. Next rule, take the common. Nothing is common here. Next is sin square theta plus cos square theta. It is not there. Okay. And the rule number 6 is a target. This is our target. But it doesn't follow the rules first. I told you that 6 rules, but it doesn't. So what to do? So you have to cancel this one. So how can I cancel this one? I am going to cancel it by multiplying 1 minus sin theta to both. So 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. And 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. I have multiplied 1 minus sin theta to the numerator and denominator. So what will happen? 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. It means 1 minus sin theta bracket square. Here you will make the mistake. You will write it 1 minus sin square theta, but this is not correct because this is 1 minus sin theta. 1 minus sin theta is a whole bracket square. Now see this one, 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta is a separate of that we can write it 1 square minus sin square theta. Okay, but 1 square is 1. We know the formula for the a square minus b square equals to a plus b and a minus b. So this is the splitted formula for this one, and I have written, instead of this one I have written 1 minus sin square theta. This is not a bracket square because it is the factors of a square minus b square. Okay. So here I am going to write the formula. 1 minus sin theta bracket square will be as it is. But 1 minus sin square theta, we know the formula for this one. It has a formula cos square theta. Now I am going to take the square root. This is the square and this is square. Square, if you take the square root of this one, so square and square will be cancelled. So you get it 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. Okay. Now separate it. 1 upon cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. So 1 upon cos theta means what? Sec theta. And sin theta upon cos theta means what? Tan theta. And this is our RHS. Let's start with the sum number 4. Again see this sec theta minus cos theta and cot theta plus tan theta equals to tan theta sec theta. So again follow the rules. First rule, take the LHS. I am going to take the LHS. LHS equals to sec theta minus cos theta into cot theta plus tan theta. Now tell me the second rule. Yes, correct. You have to write the formula. Okay. So instead of sec theta, I am going to write it 1 upon cos theta. Is that cos theta as a formula? No. So I am going to write it cos theta upon 1. In another bracket, cot theta's formula is cos theta upon sin theta plus tan theta's formula is sin theta upon cos theta. Okay. Tell me the rule number 3. Yes. If the d is not same, then what you have to do? Cross multiply. So its d is not same. 1 into 1, 1. Minus cos into cos, it will be cos square theta. Upon cos into 1 is the cos theta. Then cos into cos, cos square theta. Sin into sin, sin square theta. Upon sin theta, cos theta. Okay, this is our rule number 3. I have written the formula. First rule, LHS. Second rule, you have to write the formula. Third rule, if the d is not same, then cross multiply. Which is the fourth rule? Take the common. Is that anything is common? No. Then fifth rule is that sin square theta, cos square theta is there? Yes. So I am going to write the formula for this one. Here 1 minus cos square theta will be sin square theta upon cos theta will be as it is. Okay. And cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 upon sin theta cos theta. And here you have to give the reason. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Now see this. Is that anything will be cancelled? Yes. Sin 1 sin theta and that sin theta will be cancelled. So what will remain here? Sin theta upon cos theta in one bracket. In another bracket 1 upon cos theta. Yes. So sin theta upon cos theta means what? Is the tan theta. And into 1 upon cos theta means what? Sec theta. So we get the answer equal to RHS. So this is our answer. Alright, let's start with the sum number 5. Cot theta plus tan theta equals to cosec theta into sec theta. So again, you have to follow the rules. Which is the first rule? Take LHS. I have taken the LHS, cot theta plus tan theta. Which is the second rule? Write the formula. I am going to write the formula for this one. Which is the cos theta upon sin theta. What about tan? This is sin theta upon cos theta. Which is the next rule? Rule number 3. If the denominator is not same, then you have to cross multiply. So here I am going to cross multiply. Cos into cos, cos square theta. Sin into sin, sin square theta. Upon sin theta into cos theta. So cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. Sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta. And d into d. Okay, then rule number 4. Take a common. Is that anything is common here? No, nothing is common. Then which is the next rule? Is that sin square theta plus cos square theta is there? Yes. So instead of that, you have to write the 1 upon sin theta and cos theta will be as it is. And here you have to give the reason sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Very good. That which is the last rule, rule number 6, our target. So this is our target. So is that it is related to this one? Yes. I am going to split it first. 1 upon sin theta into 1 upon cos theta. So we know that 1 upon sin theta means what? Cosec theta. And 1 upon cos theta means what? Sec theta. Equal to RHS. Always remember that you have to buy at cosec theta means 1 upon sin theta. So you must know 1 upon sin theta means what? Cosec theta. Okay? Let's start with this sum number 6. 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. You have to prove that sec theta plus tan theta. So again, you have to follow the rules. Rule number 1, take LHS. I have taken already. Rule number 2, write the formula. So here I am going to write the formula. Sec theta 1 upon cos theta minus tan theta means what? Sin theta upon cos theta. Then which is the next rule? If the d is not same, then cross multiply. But observe this, its d is same. So I am going to write it 1 upon 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. Okay, because its d is same, so it will be as it is, and 1 minus sin theta. Okay, next here you have to do this denominator goes to the upper side. We know that nothing is there means 1 is there. So lower to the upper and middle to the middle. Okay, so cos theta goes to the upper side. You will get cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. Okay, but we have to prove that sec theta plus tan theta. So what we have to do? You have to multiply by 1 plus sin theta. So cos theta into 1 plus sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Can you tell me why I multiply by 1 plus sin theta? So we can cancel 1 minus sin theta and cos theta. So here we will get it cos theta into 1 plus sin theta will be as it is, and this is 1 minus sin theta. 1 plus sin theta means 1 minus sin square theta. We know that a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. This is a factor of 1 minus sin square theta. So cos theta in bracket 1 plus sin theta. Instead of 1 minus sin square theta, what is the formula for this one? Is the cos square theta. So 1 cos will be cancelled. You will get it 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta. Okay. So now split it. 1 upon cos theta plus sin theta upon cos theta. So 1 upon cos theta means what? Sec theta. Plus sin theta upon cos theta means what? Tan theta. So equals to RHS. Here you have to remember the one thing. Here the step number 4 you got the answer cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. After that we don't have the rule. Rule number 6 is our target. From this one we cannot get this one because there is no relation between cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta equal to sec theta and tan theta. So you have to cancel this first. So there are two ways. Either you have to multiply by 1 plus sin theta, either 1 minus sin theta. You have to see it first. Where will you get the answer? Then you have to multiply by 1 plus sin theta, either 1 minus sin theta. So I have to cancel this one. So I have to multiply by 1 plus sin theta on n also and d also. So I will get this answer. Then instead of 1 minus sin square theta, you must know the formula for this one. Cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So instead of that, I have written cos square theta. Now you will get this one. After that, you have to at the end you have to split this one. Then I know that there is one question. Sir, why you not splitted this one then? Yes, because in the numerator only one thing is there. Only one ratio is there. And denominator you have 2. See this one? It has two things in the numerator and one thing is the denominator. So we can split it 1 upon cos theta plus 1 sin theta upon cos theta. And then 1 upon cos theta means sec theta and sin theta upon cos theta means tan theta.